Yep.
Everybody in the club get tipsy.
Hello friends, nice to see you again. How are you? Good. Well, I'm sure you can tell what this video is based on its title. I saw the bandwagon and I said, I want no part of that. And Chase said, you need to turn yourself into your cat. You need to turn yourself into your cat. So, after spending the entire day not figuring out anything more creative to do, I have decided that this is the video that I'm going to make today. Just contemplating all of my life decisions. And there is no turning back now because I have everything in front of me. I'm going to turn myself into my cat. This is her. She's also sitting right there. Currently what she's doing. Grayson, there she is. See, she's pretty, right? So that's her. I have her hair all over my face. I don't have a dog. I really, really, really want a dog, but I can't get one right now. So it makes me really sad. I'm not gonna get into that right now. I have kids' face paint. I also don't have ears, so we're gonna figure out what to do with that. Without further ado, let's do it. Let's turn myself into my cat. Perfect. So, just staring at me like, what the hell are you doing? I'm gonna tell you some fun facts about cats because a lot of people have different opinions on cat people and dog people. I like to think of myself as both, if not all, animal people because I love dogs. I prefer dogs over cats. I just happen to have a cat because I rescued her from people who weren't taking good care of her. Her fur doesn't stick to every single thing that I own, and I wear a lot of black and own a lot of black stuff, and gets in my food and gets in my hair, my clothes. Dogs have hair too. Did you know cats can jump 6 times their own height? That's pretty impressive. I don't see why cats don't play basketball, you know? Like if they can jump 6 times their height, I mean, what? Ooh. A lot of female cats are right-handed and male cats are left-handed. Interesting. So she has white here and then she's got like gray here. I wonder if my phone will be able to face recognize me after I do this. We'll find out. Black Swan who? Fun fact, a cat's brain is 90% the same as a human's brain, but they have no time or desire to emotionally express themselves the way that we do. I mean, I can relate. I don't know what kind of cat she is. People ask me that all the time, but like I said, I just took her from people who I found were unfit to have a cat. And I never asked what she was or anything. I mean, just like, look at her right now. Give her her own YouTube channel. Grayson, I need to see your face. Can you roll over, please? Gives 0 fucks. Okay, back to me. Next part is we're gonna try to make some gray. You can't see it yet. It needs to be darker. Do you guys have any animals at home? Comment below if you have a cat or a dog. I would really like a dog, but I don't have the time. That's a lie, I have the time. Just can't because I'm not supposed to have animals in my building, but I sneak her in anyway because she's a cat. She's not gonna make noise. Like, what is she gonna do? So I can't have a dog right now, nor am I really capable of taking care of one by myself? Other than doing my own makeup, I've never painted my face before. Can you tell? I've already fudged up a little bit, but it's okay. She has more white where I put gray. Not good. Oh wow, I look like a deformed X-Men. We're fudging it all up. I'm very good with like depth perception. Or can I even say it? Okay, yeah, I know that looks stupid right now, but I swear we're gonna fix it, I swear. Now what we're gonna do is, we're gonna get into this black because the girl has, I mean, a cat eyeliner like none other. Did you know that cats can't taste sweet things, but they can distinguish between different kinds of water? That's what the internet told me. Cats are also nocturnal, I believe. I think so, right? They can see in the dark. We gon' wing this bitch. We gonna wing it. I'm very Black Swan right now. So that's like the top of my eye, you see what I mean? I don't really see like why people have to choose between cats and dogs. Like why is that a thing? Why can't you love all animals? Cats are assholes, but like so are most people. I definitely know a few asshole dogs, you know? Tell me you don't. Can you tell that I am definitely right-handed and not left-handed? Someone doesn't want to help me cooperate, so we're just winging it. I was very proud of that joke. Okay. Bob Ross taught me if you use different colors, it creates dimension. Do I look demented yet? Definitely look demented. Okay, so she just has like some gray here. Grayson, if I could get a dog, I think I would get like a lab golden retriever mix or like a husky or something, because those are my favorites. I grew up in a small petting zoo, didn't really know that. Love animals, don't eat them. Sometimes I eat fish though. It's okay to eat fish because they don't have any feelings. That's a Nirvana song. If you don't know it, look it up. Thank you. I'm just gonna draw on some like gray whiskers because obviously I don't have my own whiskers. I mean, technically I do have my own whiskers, but we shave our face, so we don't really have those whiskers so much anymore. Those look like whiskers, right? Leave in the comments below if you have any fun facts about cats or animals in general. I would like to have them all one day, like just a slew of animals in my home, like I did when I was growing up. When my dad was little, he wanted to be a vet. You know how you'll say to your dad, like, Dad, can we get a dog? Can we get a cat? Can we get fish? Like some dads would be like, no, you know, we can't. Well, my dad went, sounds like a great idea. I'm not divorced with 3 kids, but you know, let's get more animals. Yeah, more responsibility, because that's what he needed at the time. I really thought I was gonna be a lot better at this. Okay, moving on to this nose situation. It was down. Oh no. Oh man, this was an idea. I thought I saw a putty cat. Oh my god, what have I done? Did you know that cats feel with their whiskers when they're walking around? Like that's how you keep balance and so they don't fall over. So if you were to cut like your cat's whiskers, it would really fuck them up. I'm pretty sure that that's a true fact. You also know that a cat was once the mayor of Alaska? I literally read that online. I don't believe that that's true, but apparently it is. BuzzFeed said it, so blame them, not me. I'm gonna try to put some yellow around my eyes because she's kind of like yellow. Oh, sorry, my camera shut off from all the beauty. Okay, is this look right? I just feel like it doesn't. I'm gonna grab her and we're gonna come back with this finished product because I'm very over this. Ugh. I mean, it's like the Black Swan just decided she was gonna paint herself into a cat one day. Like, that made it better. I'm gonna try to find some cat ears and then I'm gonna grab her and we're gonna, hold on. Oh my goodness. All right, are you ready to see if we look alike? 1, 2, 3. I think we look exactly the same. Exactly. Look this way. I mean, I'm a little pinker than she is. My teeth look so yellow here. The gray is not the same at all. Not at all. Not at all. She is a muse. Turning myself into a cat right now is really just making me think like, you know, what would it be like to live a day as a cat? Because, fun fact, they spend 70% of their time sleeping, so they say. I don't think that we look alike at all. What do you think? I'm gonna rule this a fail, but I'm not gonna let this makeup go to waste. What do you think of me? Let's see if my phone opens from my face. My phone won't open from my face. No, it won't open. It won't open. Bitch, for real? So, can't open my phone with this face. I'm not proud of this. Also, side note, can you tell that I made these ears? Because I don't actually own cat ears. Yeah, thanks for watching this weird, stupid video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell because we're here still doing something and you want to get notified when we make videos because, I mean, maybe you don't. I don't know. I don't know anything anymore. This isn't right. But thank you so much for watching. We love you. Goodbye. Mwah. We'll see you soon. What a catastrophe. I need to try harder. There's not enough room for both of us. Move over. I did it.